Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIVS home school. This is Sonia Khan Joya, assistant teacher of National Ideal University School, Moriship, Dhaka. Today I am going to take ICT class for the students of class 8 students, and our today's topic chapter 3, extra question 3 for discussions. Look at the board, my dear students. This is class 8 subject ICT, and our today's topic chapter 3, extra questions 3 for discussion, and your lecture number 4 and your homework number 4. Term, annual term 2021. This is your teacher name Sonia Khan Joya, and this is my mobile number, and this is today's date. So my dear students, let's start our today's topic. So this is chapter 3, extra question 3 and 4. So extra question number 3. What do you mean by hacking? Describe the various types of hackers. Again I am saying these questions. What do you mean by hacking? Describe the various types of hackers. So our answer, start from here. Answer: hacking means getting into any computer system or network without the permission of the concerned authority or the users. Those who do this are called hackers. Again I am saying, hacking means getting into any computer system or network without the permission of the concerned authority or the users. Those who do this are called hackers. The hacker community has divided themselves into different groups. The different types of hackers are: number 1, white hat hacker. White hat hacker is a computer security specialist who breaks into protected systems and networks to test and assess their security. And number 2, black hat hacker. A black hat hacker is a hacker who violates computer security for their own personal profit or out of malice. Then number 3, grey hat hacker. A grey hat hacker is a computer hacker or computer security expert who may sometimes violate laws or typical ethical standards, but does not have the malicious intent typical of a black hat hacker. So this is our question number 3. Now question number 4. What do you mean by cybercrime? What do you mean by cybercrime? Write a short note about Information and Communication Act in Bangladesh. Again I am saying these questions. What do you mean by cybercrime? Write a short note about Information and Communication Act in Bangladesh. Answer: the crime which is committed by using ICT is called cybercrime. The crime which is committed by using ICT is called cybercrime. Now, Information and Communication Act in Bangladesh. The right of the people to know the information related to government and non-government establishments is the right to information. Fill up 2013, 93 countries have acknowledged it as a legal right. That is why the Right to Information Act has been enacted in these countries and implemented as well. The Right to Information Act has been in force in Bangladesh since 2009. According to the Information and Communication Technology Act, the offence of ICT crime carries a 3 to 7 years prison sentence. In this act, getting information is regarded as the prerequisite of individual freedom of thought, speech and conscience. So this is our question number 4 and answer. And my dear students, your homework number 4 and question number 3. Your homework number 4 and question number 3 will your homework. This is your homework. Question number 3 will your homework. Okay, my dear student, this question number 3 will your homework. So my dear students, I hope all of you students have understood today's topic. See you again inshallah.